What's up, guys? Hope you guys are enjoying the content. Check out the video we recently put out about our gold hunt at night. Pretty fun little adventure we went on. Right now we're gonna give you guys an update on the survival garden, and yeah, so check it out.
Salad. Two cucumber plants that is here, right here.
So we are making a little flavor bomb, just a snack on these delicious vegetables that Steve's been growing up here on the roof. I mean, I think it's pretty easy to say that this is a very successful garden. I mean, there's hundreds, if not thousands, of different tomatoes growing. And we're about to munch on one.
And a whole bunch of cucumbers.
And tons of cucumbers and squash and lettuce. Look at that fucking thing. What is that?
What? Oh, that's a squash. There's some zucchini right there, too. See the zucchini?
This is such a good idea.
And then you got the
Is this one of your best years, would you say?
well, this is the second year doing it. I got everything out a lot earlier, and I had a lot more experience. Oh, right through the car.
Yeah, I gotta get going. So, putting together a little flavor bomb. And a snack on some of these delicious vegetables Steve's growing. Seed me. That didn't sound right. Alright, I'm gonna roll this little burrito up. This little burrito of bombness. Alright, Green Thumb. We roll this little guy up. Mmm.
Tastes like Italy. You know what's cool this year? Is to see all these seeds. I've never had it grow this good, but all these seed pads everywhere. I'm letting everything turn into seed.
Yeah.
And I'm going to be able to harvest all it as well.
Right. All right, guys. Hope you guys are liking the videos. If you like what we're doing, give it a thumbs up and you know, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Just keep watching the videos. We're gonna keep making them, keep growing the channel.
Keep having a problem with mining machine.
Yeah, we're putting together some mining equipment, having some trouble, but more videos to come out soon with that. And yeah, just stay tuned. Thanks for watching.